All right, welcome back everybody. We got all the parts now. Finally got our rebuild kit. Had a little snafu, a little miscommunication. Took about an extra 6 weeks to get all the right rebuild kit parts. Just to let you know, there's gonna be two different versions of this video. So if you're looking for the detailed assembly part by part, I'll put the link for that video in the description. It's just gonna be cutouts of this particular video, but this video will be an abridged version of the whole rebuild if you're not interested in the actual very specific what piece goes where and what order it goes, that kind of stuff. So for everybody else just watching for entertainment value, I'm really excited about this. Finally got everything. I had to spend a few hours yesterday doing a little cleanup work. One of the turn down screws, it was all boogered up and the piece was out, and I'll show a clip of that for the detail guys if you need it. All right, everybody, thanks for coming along. This was a really big project for me. I've been waiting to get it done for over 6 months. If it helped you out at all, or if it was entertaining, please do me a favor and hit that like button, leave a comment. If you got any questions, I'd be more than happy to go over it. Thanks again. I really appreciate it, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.